Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank screen, struggling to come up with fresh ideas for a project, blog post, or business plan? Or maybe you're just tired of the same old brainstorming techniques that don't seem to spark any creativity? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to the future of idea generation, where artificial intelligence can help you break free from creative blocks and discover new, exciting concepts in no time. In today's video, we're diving deep into how you can use AI to brainstorm fresh ideas for anything from content creation to product development. Whether you're an entrepreneur, writer, designer, or content creator, this tool will completely change the way you think about coming up with ideas. Let's get started. 1. AI can generate ideas based on keywords. The simplest way to start brainstorming with AI is by inputting a few key terms or phrases related to your project or area of interest. These keywords can serve as the foundation for generating more complex and nuanced ideas. For example, if you're a content creator looking to write a blog post, you could start with a broad keyword like fitness. AI tools like ChatGPT can take that keyword and expand it into several angles, such as fitness for beginners, nutrition and fitness, fitness at home, and even fitness and mental health. With this simple input, you're already on your way to exploring dozens of potential blog post ideas. The key is to let the AI give you a starting point, which you can then fine-tune based on your preferences and needs. 2. AI can help you explore niche topics. AI is excellent at narrowing down broad topics into specific niches. Sometimes, the best ideas come from the most unexpected places. AI helps you discover untapped niches by offering suggestions that you might not have thought about. For example, let's say you're launching a new product, and you want to brainstorm ideas for marketing campaigns. Rather than focusing on generic marketing strategies, AI can suggest unique approaches based on market trends, consumer behavior, and competitor analysis. AI can even suggest specific groups of people who might resonate with your product based on their demographics, interests, and purchase behaviors. This can lead to highly creative and unconventional marketing ideas that stand out in a crowded marketplace. 3. AI can analyze trends and predict what will be popular. One of the best aspects of using AI for brainstorming is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, including current trends and emerging patterns. If you're stuck trying to come up with new content or product ideas, AI can give you a glimpse into the future. AI tools can scan social media platforms, news sites, blogs, and other sources to identify rising trends. By inputting your area of focus, AI can help you discover what's gaining traction and what might soon become mainstream. This is an excellent strategy for staying ahead of the curve and coming up with timely ideas. For example, if you're a fashion influencer and you need content ideas for the upcoming season, AI can predict the colors, styles, and designs that will be trending months ahead of time. You can then use that information to create relevant content that taps into what people are already excited about. 4. AI can offer fresh perspectives by combining ideas. Another unique strength of AI is its ability to combine disparate ideas and perspectives in ways humans might not normally consider. When brainstorming with AI, you can input different concepts, fields, or industries, and let AI merge them to create innovative new ideas. Imagine you're a writer looking for a unique twist on a classic genre like science fiction. You could input sci-fi and romance and let AI suggest combinations such as sci-fi romance set in a dystopian future or intergalactic love story with artificial intelligence. This ability to cross-pollinate ideas from different fields is one of AI's strongest attributes, offering you creative inspiration that would be challenging to come up with on your own. Putting it all together, how to start using AI for idea generation. So now that you know how AI can help you brainstorm, let's talk about how to actually implement it into your routine. Start small. Begin by using AI to generate ideas for simple projects or tasks. This will give you an idea of how it works and help you refine your approach over time. Be specific. The more specific your input, the more relevant the ideas you'll receive. Try to be clear about your goals, target audience, and industry. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and see what ideas AI can generate. Try combining topics, mixing genres, or thinking outside the box. The more creative you are with your inputs, the more diverse and exciting the ideas will be. Refine and filter. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. Once you receive a list of ideas, go through them and refine them. Pick the ones that resonate with you, and then build upon them. Repeat the process. The more you use AI, the better you'll become at crafting prompts and using the suggestions effectively. Over time, you'll find that brainstorming becomes quicker, easier, and more efficient. Wrapping it up, to summarize, AI isn't just a tool for automation, it's a powerful ally in the creative process. By using AI to brainstorm, you can explore new angles, discover untapped niches, stay ahead of trends, and come up with innovative solutions to your problems. Whether you're working on a blog post, marketing campaign, or product launch, AI can help you generate ideas faster and more efficiently than ever before. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos on how AI can improve your daily life, and share this video with anyone who could use a little creative boost. Until next time, happy brainstorming!